Of honor, a man who's been on a spinach diet for 20 years. Popeye the Sailor.
I like him.
That's my boy, Popeye.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Speech! Huh?
Gosh, I ain't so good at speech making.
But I brung a couple of me movies what made me famous.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
That runner's always making a fool out of me.
Now this picture is another one of me famous movies.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
That Popeye binds me up.
Popeye, it gives us great pleasure to award you this silver loving cup.
Gosh, thanks.
That's the last straw.
Ladies and gents, this cup.
He's strong to the finish, 'cause he eats his spinach. He's Popeye the Sailor Man.
Hear ye, hear ye. The case of Bluto versus Popeye the Sailor. Judge Wimpy presiding.
Bluto, party of the first part, being brutally beaten on several occasions by Popeye the Sailor, party of the second part, charges him with assault and battery.
Your Honor, I'm innocent.
Order in the court. The plaintiff will now state his case.
Well, Your Honor, the first time Popeye beat me up, my girlfriend Olive Oyl was in trouble. And he always beats me up for doing nothing.
Your Honor, he's lying.
Order in the court. Has the plaintiff any further testimony?
Yes, Your Honor. Another time, Popeye was acting like a madman, and he almost killed me. So you see, Your Honor, I ain't safe with that Popeye around.
Very touching indeed. Have you anything to say before I pronounce sentence?
Yes, Your Honor, I has a lots to say. One day, me and me sweetheart Olive Oyl was sitting in the theater enjoying the show. And that, Your Honor, is the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Popeye, I find you not guilty. Case dismissed.
That ain't justice. And he asked me to take you to the fair.
Well, let's go, Bluto. I'm just dying to have my fortune told.
Yeah, sure, Olive.
Oh, there's one of those fortune tellers now. Let's go in, Bluto. Oh, this is exciting.
Abracadabra, caducha. Crystal ball, show me this lady's future.
Look, Bluto, you can really see it. Bluto, how could you?
Come on, Olive. Let's get out of here.
Ah, here it comes again.
Where? Bluto, I never want to see you again.
But Olive! So it's you double-crosser.
Oh my gosh, Olive's in trouble.